for the Grand Prix. Yes.
Hello, pretty bird.
Yes, you pretty bird. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you pretty bird. Yes. How do you like your new ride, eh? Isn't this great? We're motorized. Oh, yeah. You enjoying the ride? Wow. This is incredible, isn't it? It's pretty. Give me a kiss. Wow. Eh? Shall we turn around? Go back the other way? And give the cart back?
So
you got your wings spread like you're gonna fly. This is almost like flying. Yes, you are. Yes.
Hello, pretty.
Let's turn this around, okay, you pretty bird? There you go. There you go, you pretty bird. Yeah. See? Everybody likes a pretty bird. That's correct. That's correct. You are
Hello,
such...
pretty bird.
Yes. Such a pretty bird. Yes. You're such a pretty bird. Yes, you are.
Hello, pretty bird.
Hello. Give us a little kiss. Yes. And we'll return the chair, okay? Yes, Pucker Girl. That's it, Pucker Girl. Isn't that great? You get to ride. You get to ride. That's a girl. Eh? Isn't that a girl? There we go. There we go. That's it. That's your ride for the day.